The Japanese national tournament for junior high school table tennis has finished. Miwa Harimoto wins the women's single champion of the Japanese junior high school championships. Miwa Harimoto is a little sister of Tomokazu Harimoto. She is only 13 years old. Under the influence of her father and her mother, both of them are engaged in table tennis. After winning the women's singles, Miwa and her father happily took a photo to celebrate his winning the most important title in her career so far. In the men's single competition, Matsushima Terusora, born in 2007, played well. He defeated Saka Yufei 3-2 to win the championship. After the game, Matsushima thanked everyone for their support and revealed his next game plan is to participate in the World Table Tennis Championship Japanese team trials.
そんな2人からの厳しい指導にも耐え日々練習している松島君。そこにはある夢が。
オリンピックで金メダル取る。このまま練習頑張っていけば21か20ぐらいで取れたら自分で嬉しい。